thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, welcome. My name is Simi. I am going to talk a little fast in this video because I have to hurry up and go somewhere, but I had to make a video, you guys, because I received my Boxycharm box and I wanted to share what I had got from Boxycharm with you guys because, you know, y'all fam, y'all the gang, I fuck with y'all. If you have not already, please press that subscribe button down below and don't forget to ding that bell so every time I post a video, y'all will know about it. I had Boxycharm, but then I had stopped the subscription, but you know, since I'm starting my channel, I thought it would be best to go ahead and start the subscription again so I can get some new makeup and show you guys what I got. So far, I'm very excited about this box, and it's only $25 a month for 5 beauty products. And this is over $125 worth. So for only $25 a month, like y'all better get on that. Like, stop playing. Let me show y'all the box. So this is how it was. I tried to put everything back exactly how it was when I got it, but yeah. This is the first product I want to talk about. This is the Storybook Cosmetics palette. I used this palette to create this look today, and as you can see, it's a vibe. So this is the palette. As y'all can see, it's a variety of colors. It's very pretty. They got good pigmentation. So yeah, so far so good. And it comes with a mirror, so far so good. I like that. And the next thing I got is this Evio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. These are the wipes right here. These are just facial wipes, you know, to like refresh your face throughout the day. Like, I guess you can use them as makeup removal wipes or whatever, but the directions say gently massage a single Evio Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipe over the face in a circular motion, taking care around the eyes. No need to rinse. For maximum results, follow the Evio Skin Rejuvenating Mask and Revitalizing Serum 2 times per week. And this has cannabis sativa seed oil in it, so you know. Third item I got is the In Touch Soul. This is the Glassy Skin Balm. Let me see. Let me open it. It's cute to the little holographic box. I like that. Let's read the box. It says an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates that ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Okay. So basically, this is a hydrating skin balm primer, and it says apply evenly to the face, needed to achieve dewy and glowing skin. So if you want a dewy look, this would be that. Me, I'm not really a dewy girl, but since I got it, I will try it. And you know, some of my looks been kind of dewy lately, but I try to stay as matte as I can because I do have a combination skin and my oil does break through really bad on my nose and my forehead, so I be trying to stay away from like the dewy stuff. But you know, I'm gonna try it. The next thing I got is the Facial Radiance Pads from First Aid Beauty. These help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. You get 28 pads, and this is how it looks. Can y'all see? Yeah, so let's read. It says white pad across the face, the neck, once or twice daily after cleansing, and it's alcohol free. Okay, so yeah, I can't wait to use this. I guess I'm gonna use this like after I wash my face with my cleanser. I guess I'll tone my face with this. Okay, and it helps to exfoliate too, so maybe I can skip a step in my facial routine by using these pads. I'm gonna let y'all know how it works because I'm going to do a review on all these products that came in this box. Stay tuned for that video. The next thing I got are these brushes right here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I already used one. I used the highlighter brush. No, the brightening brush. It's called the brightening brush, but I use it as a highlighter brush, and like, this is my highlighter brush now. This brush right here is a bronzer brush. I have not used this yet, but I can't wait to use it because I love bronzing. And this one is a complexion brush. I'm gonna try my foundation out with this. And this was the highlighter brush. Well, it's my highlighter brush. It's called the brightening brush. So brightening highlighter, I thought, okay, yeah, that's what I'm supposed to use it for. So, and so far so good. Like, I really like it. Like, can y'all see? The brush is really soft. The bristles are really soft. It's very good quality. It's very like, it feels good on the face, so I like that. And the last thing I got is this palette from Iconic Cosmetics. This is the palette right here. Very warm, neutral colors, and then you got some glittery colors. So it's a good combination of colors. And this is valued at $66, I think like $60 something. So for it to come in a box that was only $25, like, get the fuck out of here. So you guys, that was my Boxycharm box, my February box. I can't wait to receive my March box. Best believe when I receive my March box, I will share that box with you guys as well. Also, I will be sure to do a review on all the products in this box. That will probably be my next video. Well, no, that'll probably be my next video, if you get what I'm saying. But anywho, whatever. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will leave all the video details in the description box below. I will leave where I got my wig from. Oh, look, y'all. I did my wig by myself too. Yes, I did it by myself. I dyed it by myself. I installed it by myself. Like, you see? Real slime. Flat light. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. All right? See you next time.